What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, the Bitcoin price right now is struggling to regain strength above this level here at $60,700. What is going to happen in the next few days, guys? Today, I want to share with you exactly my strategy, and I want to go over my $60,000 profitable trade right now, which I am in over on Ubit. I want to share with you what exactly I did to enter this profitable trade right here, and also what I think is going to be happening in the next few days and weeks for the Bitcoin price, because there is a massive thing happening and it's going to shock a lot of you out there trading. As always, guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching. It truly does mean the world to give back to you every single Monday. I'm going to give away $100, so drop your comments down below. And of course, I'm back to uploads now. Unfortunately, I had a lot of travel, a lot of jet lag, then I got sick, and yeah, it was horrible, but now I'm back and ready. Still traveling, but definitely ready to make these videos. Of course, guys, also, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so do not take anything which I say as financial advice. And if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. So let's get into the video and see exactly what is happening. We had a little pump up here previously, up to approximately $67,000. It potentially got people a little bit trapped in their long positions right here. As we broke up here, people were entering longs, and then bam, the exit liquidity, or the trap came, sorry, and then we saw everyone exiting or getting forced to exit because of their positions were getting liquidated. And now the same thing potentially could be happening. We are seeing some kind of a double bottom right here, so it could signal a push back towards the upside. Again, I would target around 65k in that area if we are going to see an upside push. However, I am still in my short position, and this is actually another short position I opened recently. We can see if we go back here on the chart. This is the hourly chart. I entered this previously. We can see exactly right here. Here I got stopped out, entered, stopped out, but that's okay because I entered again pretty much at the exact top, the local top. In the previous video, I said I will be entering at 67,200 or 350. Luckily, my order got filled within $50 of the local top, which is absolutely amazing. And now currently this trade is around a 600,000 US dollar trade, 8.3 Bitcoin trade. And I'm currently in about 60,000 US dollars of profit. I'm going to stay in this trade. I will be setting some stop losses very soon. But guys, there's a really good opportunity in this kind of market to go ahead and trade. So if you do want to go ahead and trade, all you have to do is go down on today's video, down below the video, and you can see right here, you can deposit $100 and get $1,000 trade voucher right now over on Ubit. The link is down below. There is a tutorial there as well, and we can see exactly right here on the Ubit sign up page, which you'll be taken to. You just put your email, your password, and that's basically it. It's no KYC, so whatever country you are in, of course, apply to the local rules and regulations of that country. However, there is no KYC, and you're going to get an instant VIP2 upgrade, which is absolutely amazing. A lot of stuff's been happening since I've been away. Again, we can take a look at the 3-day chart. This is one of my favorite charts right now to be tracking Bitcoin with the Fibonacci retracement right now, because we can see we've still not reached the golden pocket in this range right here. The golden pocket is currently sitting at about 58,000 down to approximately 54,000 US dollars, and we've still not reached it. In the previous cycle, we did reach it down here. And then we even went lower down to the 0.786, which would take the Bitcoin price down here to $40,000. However, as of right now, we still have not reached it. So honestly, I'm still waiting for lower prices. And if we do see a pump towards the upside, if the worst case scenario, or if I can use TradingView, that would be beautiful. The worst case scenario would be a push up to here, up to 70K. And that really would get a lot of people liquidated. But I'm not sure we need to go up that high, because right here we can see at about $63,300, there will be a large level of liquidation right there. And on the lower side right there, around 58,000, that will wipe out the downside liquidity right there. So in my opinion, I think we could potentially go a little bit higher with this double bottom right here, which I was showing you previously on the hourly chart. But again, still my midterm kind of target is lower. I think we are going to hit the around low 50s, potentially high 40s in the coming months, not without a small pump though to trap people into long positions and get those long positions early. Something very interesting right now, which I want to share with you, is this Wall Street cheat sheet, because this chart is right now plugged from Bitcoin onto this Wall Wall Street cheat sheet. And we can see right here, every time we go down, we do in fact have pumps towards the upside. And again, I think that is going to be a really big catalyst for a trap coming in the very, very short term. So do definitely be careful if you are trading right now. And again, I think the panic stage is next when we really see a dump towards the downside. And that probably will be to the low 50s and the depression stage right there into the high 40s potentially in the next 3 to 6 months. So we can see a very interesting thing, which I posted over on my Twitter a few days ago. If you're not following me, follow me at CryptoJack. I post multiple times a day, really cool, interesting charts. We can see right here, BTC has never put in a bear market bottom above the realized price. We can see right here, we have in fact never had a bottom and not gone below this realized Bitcoin price right here, which is the line in green. So we can see all the way back here, right there, right there, right there. Each time we've had a bottom, we have crossed below this realized price. And if I pull up this realized price now, where are we? Well, we are not below it. So it's probably historically not the bottom. Of course, this is not financial advice, and of course it could bottom from here and go up. Of course, I'm only taking a look at historical data which I have access to. And again, the bottom right here, or the realized price, is approximately 53,000 US dollars, and usually we go significantly below this price. So that would in fact line hand in hand with the theory of potentially high 40s to low 50 price range for Bitcoin in this heat map. So guys, that is pretty much it. I am staying in my trade, guys. Don't forget to go ahead and follow me over on X. If you did want to trade yourself, there is a link down below for UBIT with a $1,000 trade voucher right there. It's pretty much the predominant exchange which I am trading on because they have great offers, no KYC, and it's a very nice, easy UI exchange to use. So go ahead and do that. Don't forget also, I have my Chart Chasers group. If you haven't joined it, it is completely free. I am posting my UBIT trades on there as well. We can see the last one was beat USDT 7x long. It was around 100% profitable trade in just the space of a couple hours. Join over 1,100 other traders over in that community. It's an amazing place to go. The link is down below as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.